Looking to start a profitable business from home? In this video, we'll explore 13 of the best machines you can use to create products and turn your passion into a business. From eco-friendly jewelry making machines to innovative tools for crafting, these machines offer unique ways to generate income while working from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your next venture. Jewelry making machine with recycled materials. The jewelry making machine with recycled materials allows you to create unique, eco-friendly jewelry pieces from materials such as metal, glass, and plastic. The machine processes waste materials and turns them into finished jewelry items like rings, necklaces, and bracelets. It's user-friendly and perfect for creating jewelry at home, making it an ideal business opportunity for those looking to start a side hustle or small business. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsman, this machine allows you to make beautiful, sustainable jewelry with ease. The process reduces waste, making it environmentally friendly. These machines range from $500 to $2,000, depending on the model and features. Perfect business idea. This is a great way to start a home-based business, especially for individuals interested in craftsmanship and sustainability. Recycled jewelry is not only unique, but also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. Where to buy? You can find these machines on online stores like Amazon, eBay, and specialized jewelry equipment websites. Wall printing machine. A wall printing machine is a revolutionary device that allows you to print custom designs, images, and patterns directly onto walls. Using advanced technology, it can create large-scale prints on various surfaces, such as home interiors, offices, and commercial spaces, with ease and precision. These machines are easy to operate, making them perfect for home-based businesses or those looking to offer unique wall art services. Whether you're designing murals, advertising prints, or personalized designs for homes and businesses, a wall printing machine offers an affordable and creative solution. Price. Wall printing machines typically range from $2,000 to $10,000, depending on the features and model. Perfect business idea. This is an excellent business opportunity for anyone looking to start a creative venture from home or expand an existing business. The demand for custom wall art, especially for home decor and businesses, is growing, offering a solid return on investment. Where to buy? These machines can be purchased online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or specialized printing equipment suppliers. Portable 3D scanner for art digitization. A portable 3D scanner for art digitization allows you to capture highly detailed, accurate 3D models of sculptures, artwork, and other physical objects. This technology uses advanced sensors to scan and create digital representations of your art, which can then be used for preservation, reproduction, or virtual display. Easy to use and compact, this portable scanner is perfect for artists, museums, or small businesses looking to preserve or showcase their artwork digitally. It opens up opportunities for creating replicas, selling digital art, or incorporating artwork into virtual and augmented reality projects. These scanners typically range from $500 to $5,000, depending on features, resolution, and portability. This is an ideal solution for artists or entrepreneurs who want to digitize their work for marketing, selling, or even creating 3D printed copies. It's also a great option for art preservation and museum-related projects. You can find portable 3D scanners on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or through specialized 3D scanning equipment retailers. Eco-friendly packaging machine. An eco-friendly packaging machine is designed to reduce environmental impact by using sustainable materials and minimizing waste during the packaging process. These machines allow businesses to package products in an environmentally responsible way, using biodegradable, recyclable, or reusable materials. They are ideal for companies looking to reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining efficient production. The machines are easy to operate and can handle a variety of products, from food to retail items. Eco-friendly packaging machines typically range from $1,000 to $15,000, depending on the size, capacity, and features. This is a perfect business solution for companies wanting to meet the growing demand for sustainable products and practices. You can find eco-friendly packaging machines from online suppliers like Amazon, eBay, or specialized packaging equipment retailers. Textile recycling machine. A textile recycling machine is designed to transform used fabrics and textiles into reusable materials by breaking down old clothes, sheets, and other textile waste. The machine processes the materials by shredding, cleaning, and sometimes respinning them into fibers that can be used to create new products, such as clothing, insulation, or upholstery. It's an efficient and sustainable solution for reducing textile waste and supporting a circular economy. Textile recycling machines are easy to operate and can handle large volumes of materials, making them ideal for businesses focused on sustainability. These machines typically range from $5,000 depending on the capacity and features. This is a great investment for companies looking to tap into the eco-friendly market by repurposing waste materials into valuable products. You can find textile recycling machines from online retailers like Amazon, eBay, or specialized textile processing equipment suppliers. Robot Barista. A robot barista is an automated coffee-making machine that uses robotics and artificial intelligence to brew, serve, and customize coffee beverages. It can grind coffee beans, brew espresso, steam milk, and even serve the drink to customers, all with minimal human intervention. The robot barista is designed to provide consistent quality and efficiency, making it ideal for coffee shops, offices, or even home use. These machines can be programmed to create a wide range of coffee drinks, from lattes to cappuccinos, and are perfect for businesses looking to streamline operations or enhance the customer experience. Robot baristas typically cost between $10,000 and $50,000, depending on the size, features, and customization options. This is a great investment for businesses that want to offer a unique, high-tech experience while improving speed and consistency. You can find robot baristas from specialized suppliers or online platforms like Amazon or eBay. UV printer for personalized products. A UV printer for personalized products uses ultraviolet UV light to cure ink as it's printed, allowing for high-quality, durable prints on a variety of surfaces such as wood, glass, metal, plastic, and more. These printers are ideal for creating custom products like phone cases, mugs, t-shirts, and promotional items. The UV printing process is fast, precise, and provides vibrant colors, making it perfect for businesses offering personalized or custom-designed products. UV printers typically range from $3,000 to $30,000, depending on the model, print size, and features. This is a fantastic business opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to enter the personalized products market, offering a wide range of customization options to customers. You can purchase UV printers through specialized printing equipment suppliers or online platforms such as Amazon or eBay. Automatic microgreens growing system. An automatic microgreens growing system is a fully automated setup designed to grow microgreens indoors with minimal effort. It typically includes a combination of grow lights, irrigation, and temperature control, allowing for year-round production of nutrient-rich microgreens like broccoli, radish, and kale. These systems are ideal for individuals or businesses looking to grow fresh produce with little maintenance, making it perfect for home-based businesses or urban farming. The system ensures optimal growing conditions, providing a hassle-free experience from seed to harvest. Prices for automatic microgreens growing systems range from $500 to $5,000. Depending on the size, features, and capacity. This is a great business idea for those interested in sustainable farming or offering fresh local produce. You can purchase these systems online through platforms like Amazon or specialized gardening equipment retailers. Candle making machine for soy candles. A candle making machine for soy candles is an automated device designed to efficiently produce soy-based candles in various shapes and sizes. The machine helps with melting wax, pouring it into molds, and adding scents or dyes, all while reducing the time and effort required for manual candle making. It is ideal for businesses looking to scale their production of eco-friendly soy candles, which are popular for their natural composition and clean burn. These machines are easy to use and can produce high-quality candles in bulk, making them perfect for home-based or small businesses. The price for a candle making machine for soy candles ranges from $1,000 to $10,000, depending on the machine's capacity and features. This is a great business idea for those interested in creating and selling eco-friendly products. You can find these machines on online platforms like Amazon, eBay, or through specialized candle-making equipment suppliers. 3D fabric printing machine. A 3D fabric printing machine is an advanced device that allows you to print complex, three-dimensional designs directly onto fabric. This technology uses specialized ink to create intricate textures and patterns that are impossible to achieve with traditional flat printing methods. It's ideal for businesses in the fashion, interior design, and textile industries, offering limitless customization options for creating unique clothing, home decor, and accessories. The 3D fabric printing machine can print designs in vibrant colors and high detail, and it can also incorporate features like raised patterns or textures for added visual impact. Prices for these machines typically range from $10,000 to $100,000, depending on the size, print resolution, and capabilities. This is an excellent investment for companies looking to innovate in fabric design or produce custom products. You can find 3D fabric printing machines from specialized textile equipment suppliers or online platforms such as Amazon and eBay. Food fermentation machine. A food fermentation machine is an automated device designed to control the fermentation process of various foods such as yogurt, cheese, kimchi, sauerkraut, and even kombucha. The machine regulates temperature, humidity, and time to ensure optimal conditions for the growth of beneficial bacteria, which are crucial for producing fermented foods. This technology is ideal for home-based businesses or small-scale production, allowing users to consistently produce high-quality fermented foods with minimal manual effort. The price for a food fermentation machine typically ranges from $500 to $5,000, depending on the size, features, and capacity. This is a great investment for entrepreneurs looking to enter the growing market for healthy, probiotic-rich foods. You can purchase these machines from online platforms like Amazon, eBay, or specialized food equipment suppliers. Portable water distillation system. A portable water distillation system is a compact device designed to purify water by removing contaminants through the process of distillation. It heats water to create steam, which then condenses back into liquid form, leaving impurities behind. This system is ideal for outdoor activities, emergency preparedness, or small-scale water purification in homes and businesses. It can be used to produce high-quality drinking water from various sources, including tap water, lakes, or rivers. The price for a portable water distillation system typically ranges from $100 to $500, depending on the size, capacity, and features. It's a great solution for individuals looking for a reliable, on-the-go water purification method. You can find these systems on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or through specialized water purification equipment retailers. Cocktail making mobile bar. A cocktail making mobile bar is a portable bar setup designed for making and serving cocktails at various events, such as parties, weddings, and corporate functions. The bar typically includes built-in storage for liquor, mixers, and glassware, along with a specialized cocktail making system or equipment like blenders, shakers, and dispensers. Prices for a cocktail making mobile bar range from $1,000 to $10,000 depending on the size, design, and features. It's a perfect business investment for those looking to start a mobile bartending service. You can find these mobile bars through event supply companies, custom furniture manufacturers, or online platforms like Amazon or eBay. If you found these machines interesting and want to learn more about how they can help grow your business, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear which machine caught your attention the most. Don't forget to stay tuned for more business tips and machine recommendations in upcoming videos.